Welcome to this DevSummit session, Building POC-ready ODM platform with SystemReady. The target audience of this section will be people who is interested in hardware and firmware standardization and virtualization in ARM-based computing devices. There are three topics of this section. First, how to solve the hardware and firmware fragmentation and how we bring the best cloud-native experience. Second, how to utilize ARM Test Lab for obtaining the SystemReady certification and the detail of ACS tests. The last, how to use the virtualization checklist to verify your platform virtualization capability. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.